In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 17mm, we're going to crack the drain plug free. Be sure you have a drain bucket under you before removing this plug. Remove the drain plug and let the oil start to drain. Be sure to remove the crush gasket off of the drain plug if it's on it. Ours is stuck to the pan. You use a flat blade screwdriver, put it right next to it, pop it off. Install the new crush washer onto the drain plug. Once the oil is done draining, install the drain plug. Torque the drain bolt 25 to 33 foot-pounds. Using some brake parts cleaner and a clean rag, we're going to spray down the area and wipe it up. Get any of the oil off of the pan. Unscrew the oil filter. I'm going to poke a hole in the bottom to start the draining. Once it starts draining, I'll crack the filter free. Because we put the hole in the bottom, not a lot of oil is going to come up over the side of the filter when it's draining. Remove the oil filter. Clean the area. Take a dab of clean new engine oil and rub it onto the seal. Install the oil filter. Get it nice and snug. I'm going to remove the engine cover so I have more room to get to the cap. Remove the oil cap. Add the manufacturer specified amount of oil and capacity. Install the oil cap. Check the dipstick. Make sure that there's oil up to the full mark. Put it back in. Go ahead and start the car. Run it for about 5 minutes. Shut it off. Let all the oil drain back. Be about 5 to 10 minutes. Then recheck the dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it off, and we'll check the level. Be sure that your oil is at the full mark. This is the full, this is the low. It's about a quart in between. Once you've made sure that your oil is full, return the dipstick. Reinstall the engine cover. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.